In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export N8N workflow. Exporting your workflow is a great way to back up your automation, share it with teammates, or move it between environments. All you'll need is access to your N8N instance and permission to view the workflow you want to export. Before we start, it's a good idea to make sure your workflow is saved and up to date so the file you download reflects your latest changes. First, open your N8N workspace and head to the Workflows area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This page lists all of your workflows. Use the search or filters if you have a lot of items, and then select the workflow you want to export to open it in the editor. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the right one by checking the name and, if you use versioning or tags, that you're on the version you intend to share or back up. With the workflow open in the editor, look to the top bar for the three-dot icon, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click that to open the Actions menu. This menu contains several handy tools, including the option to download or export your workflow. Choose the download option. Your browser will generate a JSON file that represents the workflow's structure. When prompted, pick a safe location on your computer and save the file. It can help to include a clear name with a date or version indicator so you can track changes over time. If your browser doesn't show a prompt or nothing seems to happen, check your pop-up or download blockers and try again. If the menu item is grayed out, you may need additional permissions from your workspace admin. A quick note on what's inside the file. The export includes your nodes, their connections, and the configured parameters. It does not include sensitive credentials or environment secrets. Those remain securely stored in N8N and will need to be set up again when importing into another workspace. If your workflow relies on credentials, plan to recreate or map them after you import the JSON file elsewhere. After saving the file, consider storing it in version control so you can track changes and collaborate safely. You can also open the JSON in a text editor to add a description at the top of your commit or documentation, which makes future you very happy. That's it. Go to Workflows, open the workflow you want, click the three dots to open the menu, and choose Download. You now have a portable, shareable copy of your N8N workflow ready to use.